Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Twitter handle. First, you'll need to create a Twitter account if you don't already have one. During the sign-up process, you'll be prompted to choose a username, which will become your handle. If you already have an account, you can change your handle through your profile settings. It's important to select a handle that is unique and available, so be prepared with a few options. When choosing your handle, uniqueness is key. Twitter will notify you if your desired handle is already taken, so have a few alternatives ready. Handles must be between 4 and 15 characters, using only letters, numbers, and underscores. Avoid using spaces or special characters. A good strategy is to try variations of your name or brand, perhaps adding a number or a keyword if your first choice isn't available. If you wish to change an existing handle, it's a straightforward process. Go to your profile settings, usually found under the More menu on the desktop or by tapping your profile icon on mobile. Locate the username field and simply type in your new desired handle. Twitter will check its availability instantly. Once you confirm the change, your new handle will be active immediately, updating your unique identifier. For the best results, aim for a handle that is both memorable and easy to type. A concise handle helps people find and tag you more easily, boosting your visibility. Make sure your chosen handle accurately reflects your brand or personal identity, maintaining consistency across platforms. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other helpful deals. A well-chosen handle is a small but significant step in building your online presence.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.